You've done it. You've done it. Congratulations. You are phenomenal. Okay. You made it this far. You made it to what 99% of this world, I don't know the number, but I'm guessing. How many people you think build websites and built their own website? Not very many. Okay. You've done that. I once had a client tell me, I know what you do now. It is well worth the cost. Right? When you get done doing this website, oh my gosh, you're going to feel so amazing because you just done it, right? You ain't got to tell me. I already know. All right. So with that, you just completed how to create a domain. You launched your hosting. You, from registering domain, you took your website and you put it out there because you set it up with the theme that you wanted. And then you hit publish. And now you're measuring it to determine what type of traffic you're getting. Like, is that not phenomenal or what? You are a rock star. I don't care what that commercial says. Okay, you might not have been published an album, but you published a website. So congratulations. You are on your way. If you need any help, you know where to find me. I wish you the very best. Very best. So dream big and Godspeed. Keep crushing it.